Hey everyone! Today we're breaking down a major leap forward in HIV vaccine research. Scientists have shown for the first time that they can reliably trigger powerful, broadly neutralizing antibodies against many HIV strains in primates. Let's dive in, the host said enthusiastically. Despite decades of effort, HIV's rapid mutation and diversity have made vaccine development incredibly tough. Researchers have focused on eliciting broadly neutralizing antibodies, or bNAbs, which can block dozens, even hundreds, of HIV variants at once. A team from Scripps Research and Sweden's Karolinska Institute published their work in Immunity on May 7, 2025. They designed a two-step, structure-guided vaccine regimen that finally unlocked strong bNAb responses in non-human primates. Step 1. Priming. They created a stable, spike mimic of HIV surface protein, removing key sugar molecules that normally hide critical regions. This exposes the virus's CD4 binding site, its Achilles heel, so the immune system can target it directly. Step 2. Boosting. After 2 priming doses, the animals received 5 booster shots, each 12 weeks apart, using slightly different spike proteins with sugars intact. This trains the immune system to recognize the same vulnerable site, even when it's partly hidden. The results were exciting. Several animals produced bNAbs that neutralized tough Tier 2 HIV strains. One antibody family, called LJF0034, blocked nearly 70% of a global panel of 84 strains. A big step toward true breadth of protection. Even better, researchers mapped exactly where LJF034 binds, a new quaternary epitope, bridging 2 spike sections. This gives vaccine designers a fresh target for future immunogens. This isn't a final human vaccine yet. One candidate from this study is already in phase 1 clinical trials, with early data expected soon. The team plans to refine the regimen to boost response rates and test long-term safety, the host explained informatively. An effective HIV vaccine may still be years away, but this breakthrough shows we're on the right track. If you found this update helpful, hit thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for more science breakthroughs. Thanks for watching, the host encouraged.